Hi Sammy Fam. Today we're going to be making delicious sweet and savory Miso Ginger Asparagus. The mirin is going to provide our sweetness right here. Just a little bit more. I love mirin because it's sweet, but it also has some complexity to it. If you're unfamiliar with mirin, it is a sweetened rice wine, but don't worry, the alcohol will cook off. The vinegar will add some lightness and some tang to the dish. And our miso is going to give us just an amazing savory umami flavor. It'll really balance out our sweetness. And it gives us all the salt we need for the dish. A little bit of ginger goes a long way. So I'm just going to shave down one of our friendly little nubbins right here. It's a little bit of a pain to work with fresh ginger, but the flavor is worth it. Once we get that woody skin out of the way, we can take it to our little grater. Just grate our little nub directly into our sauce or a marinade, whatever you want to call it. Just a little bit. I'm going to mash this all together using a fork. I really got to beat the devil out of it to get that paste to kind of incorporate. Almost there. Just a little bit more. Come on, baby. Yes. I got our asparagus. Just cut off the woody bits down there at the end. Ain't nobody want none of that. Oil up a pan. Lay our asparagus down. Get them a little oily. And then we're going to just get them coated in our kind of syrupy, savory, gingery sauce here. It's time to get messy. Now, because of the sugar content, some of the edges on this will burn in the oven, but that's okay. That's a sacrifice we're willing to make for the asparagus to come out lovely. Now I'll roast these at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Kind of depends on how soft you want your asparagus. While that's in the oven, I'm going to cut up some green onions that I'm going to toss on top. That nice light onion flavor will go so well with the miso and with that ginger. And then a squirt of lemon will add a little bit of acidity to help balance the sweetness of the mirin. Oh, that is looking so good. Now if I can get these off without burning myself. There we go. Don't let a drop of that syrupy mixture go to waste. That's all good flavor. delicious onions. And a nice squirt of lemon. Now this is a fresh side. You can be proud to serve it any summery picnic. It's savory, it's sweet, it's filling, but it's also light and airy. It's delicious, and it would pair well with chicken, ham, or fish. Thanks for watching, fam. Try this recipe out and share it if you like it.